Hello everyone, today we will show the assembly and installation of TQL25 Tuya zigbee motor with 38 little star end plug kit. First of all, we pick up the tube groove, pay attention to the groove of the tube, and the end part of the motor is aligned with the tube groove and foot eye. The crown of the motor should also be aligned with the tube groove and pressed in. This motor has a rice groove design, so we use 38 little star end plug kit with it, according to the motor rice groove. Align. Install the head bracket, and then install the idler bracket. Pay attention to the tube groove, adjust the end plug on the idler bracket in the appropriate direction, and press it into the groove tube. The assembly of the product is complete. According to the dimensions of the finished product, mark the location of the bracket on the wall. Remove the bracket at both ends, pay attention to the idler bracket to unfasten the buckle and then remove it. Then install the mounting bracket on the wall. Install the main part. Pay attention to the installation of the idler bracket, and confirm that the buckle is locked. Final. Why our roller blinds are installed.